Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A15 Snapchat lag issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps scroll down and here click on Snapchat. Now in Snapchat scroll down and click on storage and then in storage clear the app data and cache memory of Snapchat. Now click on delete to confirm and then go back to settings and in settings click on battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on memory and then click on clear now or clean now to clear some memory for Snapchat app. And after doing this your problem will be fixed.